Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use WhatsApp on PC without QR code. Normally WhatsApp web requires scanning a QR code, but you can bypass that by using an Android emulator like BlueStacks. Just go to the official BlueStacks website, download the installer and install BlueStacks on your computer. Now open it, then go to the Play Store section. Search for WhatsApp, then click Install. Now open WhatsApp inside BlueStacks. Enter your mobile number, then receive the verification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify the amount, and once verified, WhatsApp will open normally. You can now chat, send media, and use WhatsApp directly on your PC, no QR code needed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.